For this we need bread, minced mutton, mashed potato, pizza sauce. First we will roll all the bread slices. Take one slice and apply pizza sauce. Spread all over it. Now take other slice and keep over it. Now spread mashed potatoes. Again take one more slice and place over it. Spread pizza sauce again. Now with the help of oil, roll it. Take a slice and spread pizza sauce. Take another slice and place over it. Now spread minced mutton. Another slice with pizza sauce. Now roll in the same way as earlier. Leave the roll for 10 minutes. Non-veg and veg rolls are ready. Let's open them and cut them in slices. Apply butter on both sides. Now keep in oven for 15 minutes. My bread pinwheels are ready. Come, let's turn to Abu. Abu, this is for you.
Oh wow, mashallah. So it is very different snack. What is this?
This is bread pinwheels.
Bread pinwheels.
Yeah.
And what is the stuffing?
Stuffing. Potato, mashed potato, and pizza sauce, minced mutton.
Okay. So many things you have put it in. Okay. So without any sauce or any chutney, I will taste like this only.
Yeah.
Okay. Bismillah. There is no need for any chutney or any sauce or anything because it's very spicy, it's crispy also, and I can feel a little sweeter taste of tomatoes
Yeah.
in that pizza chutney. Yes, but it's very yummy, really. You want to taste it? It's soft from inside and from outside it is very crispy. Musa wants to eat full. Now Musa?